I have full confidence that this is it. This is out of my hands and it is in God's hands.
You contest this seat 2020, lost miserable to Dalrymple. What give you that impression and a surety that you will win this seat this time around as an independent?
Well, first of all, in my view, she's not qualified to sit at this time. She has several issues that persons asking question and we cannot get any answers. So I believe she should step aside and she should wait until even the court case finish. You know, I think it's unfair to South Trelawney for her to just walk out of the seat and walk back in.
If you were elected member of parliament, what would be your first act?
Well, as you can see, South Trelawney is without water from ever since, before I was born. So I will do the water project first thing. And as you can look on our roads, it's terrible.
So water and roads?
Water and roads. And they have a single mother's